3, go.
What's up, Teach? What boring things are we learning today?
Actually, Sonny, I've got some fun stuff to tell you. Do you remember talking about pH, acids, and bases yesterday?
I guess, but I was a little busy thinking about AP Chem next year.
Okay. Well, did you know that some substances can be both acidic and basic?
You're lying to me, Teach. What kind of wacky stuff is that?
It's water, silly Billy.
Water? I hardly know her.
Okay. So, from yesterday, what makes a substance acidic or basic?
Some of those H plus thingies, right?
Yep. If it has a hydrogen ion, a positive one, and donates it, that substance is acidic. If it doesn't have one and accepts a hydrogen ion from another substance, that substance is basic.
Like Lululemon.
Okay. Tell me the chemical formula of water.
Hey, this is the only thing I got right on the midterm. H2O.
Well, yeah, that's one way to say it, but it can also be written as H-O-H. Okay. That means it's a hydrogen ion nuzzled up next to a hydroxide ion. So the positives and negatives cancel out.
So it's neutral.
Well, not exactly. Yeah, water is neutral.
Hashtag PHH7.
But it can also be described as amphoteric, acting as both a base and an acid. Look at these formula. In this one, hydrogen is accepting a base and accepting a hydrogen plus and acting as a base. Now it's turned into a hydronium ion with a positive charge. In this formula, the water is donating the hydrogen ion that it already has and turning into a negative hydroxide ion. Here it's acting as a base. Here it's acting as an acid.
Water is so special.
That's not even the most of it, Sonny. Water can also do autoprotolysis. And don't even try. That means it can make itself ionic. In every sample of water, there are some molecules, a very, very few of them, that are breaking apart into hydroxide and hydronium. This occurs when two water molecules come together, and one of them gives its hydrogen ion to the other, leaving one negatively charged and one positively charged.
Then why isn't water super acidic and basic?
Because all that self-ionization cancels out. And remember, this is occurring in a very, very small percentage of the water.
But hey, not all water has a pH of 7. What's up with that?
Well, technically, that's not just water you're dealing with. In groundwater, which has a pH of 6.5 to 8, depending on where you get it, you have other substances dissolved inside.
But I can still drink that, right?
Sure thing.
Getting turnt.
Okay. The danger zone for water is when you get extremely acidic, with a pH getting as low as 2. This can occur when water is polluted, especially if running through an abandoned coal mine. On the other hand, extremely basic water is dangerous as well. This occurs when deposits form in pipes or water appliances and then dissolve in running water. Hey, don't be scared, Sonny. You'll be able to taste this difference.
Phew.
Okay, so what have you learned today?
Water is amazing and science is cool.
Sure thing, bud.